Hello everyone, let's learn how to replace the rear tailgate struts, specifically on a 2016 to 2022 Honda HRV. The process is similar for the Honda CRV. You'll want to replace these if yours can no longer hold the tailgate up, or if you find that you have to put in more physical effort to raise your liftgate to its fully open position. With age, it's natural for these struts to lose their lifting power. So to start, here are the tools you'll need. You'll want a small flathead screwdriver, either a 2mm or a 3mm, a pair of small channel lock pliers, along with this special door trim removal tool that I personally like to use because it has a forked end that helps gently separate the strut from its attachment point, which you'll see later. And very importantly, you want to have another adult help you hold the tailgate up when you remove each strut, just so it doesn't come crashing down. Also have some brake cleaner handy, along with a clean towel or a shop paper towel. In terms of parts, I bought genuine Honda struts, and the North American Honda part numbers are there as you see. You can write them down if you like, and each side will have a separate part number. In North America, where I live, our vehicles are left-hand drive, so R means right, which is the passenger side. I want to note that in terms of the parts, you don't have to buy genuine Honda since they're not the cheapest option, but I do recommend you try to buy the Stabilis brand that's available on rockauto.com. Because Stabilis is a high-quality German brand that makes these struts for most automakers as original equipment, including for Honda, of course, as you see. So before we start, I want to point out that the attachment points are ball and socket connections, so it's nothing overly fancy, and the attachment is locked in place by a specially designed securing clip, which means the process to remove these will involve prying loose the securing clip, then pulling each end off its ball attachment point. Before we remove the old struts, we have to prep the new struts. All we need to do is gently pry on a securing clip on each side loose, so it can be in position to easily snap into its ball attachment, which you'll see shortly. You don't need to remove the clip, just pry it up until it's raised like what you see here, and you'll also see some fresh grease inside each end. Don't clean off that grease because we need it as lubrication, and I'll explain why later on. Once we're done prepping the new struts, we can now remove the old ones. So for safety, have your other friend help you hold up the tailgate. So to remove it, use the small flat screwdriver to pry up on a securing clip from the middle, just enough that it's slightly raised, like so. With the clip somewhat released, have your helper hold up the tailgate, and you can now grab your fork trim tool and position it carefully as so, then twist to separate the attachment. Or you can simply just use your hands to pull the strut away from its attachment point if you don't have this trim tool, and it should separate fairly easily. So you've now removed your old strut, but before we install the new struts, let's perform 2 additional steps as best practices. First, clean the ball attachment points with some brake cleaner, and it's a good idea to do this so the tailgate will raise and lower smoother once you install the new struts, since there's clean grease applied to the attachment points of the new struts. If there's dirt and stuff lingering around, sometimes it might not move up and down as smoothly. You should also check the ball attachment connection to ensure that it's tight. If you find that yours is somewhat loose, just use the channel lock pliers to tighten the ball. You don't need to make it too tight, just make sure it's secure. And once you confirm they're secure, you can now install the new struts. So with the prepped new strut, where the securing clip is semi-released there, have your helper hold up the tailgate, and all you need to do is snap one side in, like this, until you hear the sound. Then press the securing clip in, and that's all there is to it. Just make certain the securing clip is flush with the plastic end. So you repeat the process for the other end of the strut, and when you secure this end, you may have to have your helper raise the tailgate up a bit to fit the end into its ball attachment. Once this side is secure, you can cautiously release the tailgate, and it should hold if the other old strut is still good. If not, have your helper continue to hold the tailgate up. Repeat the install process for the other side, including cleaning and tightening the ball connection, and when finished, just push on each of the 4 attachment points firmly to ensure it's secure, and you're almost done. To complete this job, open and close the tailgate several times to ensure it raises and lowers smoothly. including latching properly. And that's really all there is to it.